right, so what's up, everybody? We're here at the world-famous Texas State Fair. Big Tex right behind me. Not quite as on fire as I've seen him in the past, but nonetheless, it's a killer time here at the State Fair. And a lot of people don't realize that sometimes here at the fair, they got a lot of different things going on. But today is Take an Elder to the Fair Day. So I brought Phipps, and I'm going to stuff him full of any kind of junk food, fried food, just weird stuff that they sell out here at the fair, and we'll see how it happens and how it goes for him because, well, you're going to get sick, my man. Let's go.
Okay. Well, it might depend, Bill. It's been like...
I didn't say that. I said, who are you?
I am Richard Rawlings. That's all I know.
Oh, okay. You must be somebody.
This looks like my dad used to do. Here's a coupon.
Everyone.
Good luck.
Thank you. We're going on a ride, guys. Good day at work. I got a coupon and a beer.
My dad watches your show and I watch it too.
Well, thank you guys very much.
Do you think I could get a picture?
Absolutely. Let's do it. So I got to get my wife one of these stuffed animal things.
Can you throw a softball?
I can do anything, Phipps.
Let's see it then.
I can do anything better than you can.
Let's see it.
Okay, go ahead, Phipps.
Let's see it then.
What you gonna do, Phipps? What you gonna do? How much is it?
You get one ball for 10, 3 for 20.
Oh, I need 3 for him and 3 for me.
I got you.
You're gonna need more.
So
Step on the sidewalk for me. There's nothing left on that card. You did 20, he did 20. Y'all both get
20 balls?
No, you get 3 balls.
3 balls. But you got to knock them all off with 1 ball.
1 ball, yeah. That's the deal right there.
You go first. I don't know why you throw that hard.
I don't think you're supposed to. Go ahead, Phipps.
Oh.
You next. We each get 3 balls.
Yep.
Why you got to stand on the concrete? Good job, Phipps. You're first loser.
Hey, pretty good. Oh! All right, do it again.
Phipps, you're killing it.
Pretty good.
Took the middle one out.
Well, at least you got one.
Yeah, you ain't got any. This your last ball, Phipps.
Almost got a raise the other day too, but I didn't do that.
All we gotta do is put it in. So what's the trick?
You got it.
Oh, that's it. All right, now we're figuring it out. Doesn't take too long. What I got to do to get one of these monkeys?
Oh, you got to make 2 of them. You got to make 2 of them.
Well, come on.
That's going to happen. OG Pro jump. That ain't going to get. Lord have mercy. Bless his heart. Go. Make no money. Wait.
I think I spent like $7,000 already. Yep, I just suck at this, don't I?
I tried to tell you that.
There.
Stick to cars, man.
I know I got to stick to cars.
Boy, now you.
What? That's like a pity monkey. Wow! Yeah, look at that. Bet I'm not going to rip all the stuffing out and wear this thing tonight. Thank you guys, man.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you guys. Food on monkey right now.
On gas monkey today. Look at our gas monkey.
You literally can't make this up. You're going to flip a chick into the stew pot. Let's do it. Hey, what's up, man?
Hell yeah.
I want to flip a chick.
You can. Whack it as hard as you can.
Hey, you get it whacking it, right?
I get it. I think it's just a game of chance. Boom! A chicken hat? I want more than a chicken hat. I want like a super chicken or something. I don't know, but for some reason this feels inhumane. Yay! Phipps made one.
I'm so happy.
Get it, Phipps.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to be a gobble gobble, aren't I? Is this a turkey hat? No. Chicken.
This is what it's all about at the State Fair. The world famous Fletcher's Corny Dogs. We're fixing to get one of these bad boys in a cold Miller Lights. Because I like myself some Corny Dogs and some Miller Lights. I'm getting ID. This is because she doesn't care about your old ass.
Take his glasses off.
30.
That's funny.
Some Fletcher's Corny Dogs and some cold beer. That's first stop. Now some people argue that you put ketchup on it or mustard on it. I don't really care. I'm a mustard guy myself. For all you keto people out there, that means you got no points.
But it's not fair grading food when these are awesome all the time.
I gotta take you seriously with that cock on your head.
Well, didn't bother you last night.
Pause.
A few years ago when COVID hit, the State Fair couldn't be the State Fair. But they had like millions of Corny Dogs already made, and they had to cancel the fair. So they brought the Fletcher's Corny Dog stand to us, where we got all crazy. I think there was like 22,000 million people there that day. A lot of Corny Dogs.
Big clap. What's the next spot?
I think we gotta find some kind of fried something. It's gotta be fried. I mean, deep fried Oreos, fried freaking strawberry shortcakes. I don't know.
Hey, get my picture.
Ice cream tastes like ice cream.
Take a bite.
Do I have to? I'm not a fan. I'm not gonna talk shit on State Fair food, but I'm not a fan.
I don't know. That works. Too bad Kenny's not here.
I would like one of everything, from the very top to the fried lobster. I don't want that. That's 65 points. Screw it, I'll take the fried lobster too. What else? And I want the dough muff and the cookie dough. Oh, and I want the strawberry thing for him, and the other strawberry thing. It's called the key. And I want the pizzas and fried butter. What is fried butter? It's like a big old chunk of butter.
It's a ball of butter.
Huh?
It's a ball of butter.
It's a ball of butter.
Yes.
What? I want it all. Give me one of everything. Just add it up. All right, Phipps. We got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, looks like it.
Better get down in that. It really smells like fried butter.
Oh my.
No, I'm out on that. It's good, but it ain't good for me. This is fried jambalayas, which is like a rice bowl with some stuff. What? Is that the fried lobster?
With more fries.
Absolutely, probably the most expensive thing here at the fair. $65 for a fried lobster.
Are you kidding me?
No, I wouldn't shit my favorite turd.
It just sounds real safe. Lobster at the State Fair.
I don't know, Phipps. Just gotta get all in there. Fried lobster. It tastes like lobster. Phipps, you gotta act a little bit more sophisticated. We're eating lobster. So the fried lobster's pretty good. It tastes like lobster. It's been fried. Yeah, I think they nailed it. And this is chicken parm with some stuff on it. No, actually, you can bake chicken parmesan. That's pizza fries.
That's pretty good. He bought it?
It tastes like pizza. Not the lobster, that pizza fry.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Now, I don't know about all this sweet shit, dude, because
I don't either. I'm not big into that.
Hold on. My gastrointestinal doctor is calling me.
No, this is the Priscilla. This is peanut butter without the nanners. Because, you know, she has no nanner.
Yeah, it's just a regular ass Ford small block alternator. No problem.
It's gonna destroy that, Phipps.
Okay.
that's a dough muff. So it's like a cross between a donut and a muffin and everything. But this is the favorite part of the episode, Phipps. This is where we get to have some fun. Because it was take the old person to the fair day, and I brought you. But it's also make the millennials eat an entire fried peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Give me that camera. I'm gonna make y'all eat it.
I'm down.
Rich is looking at all these high horsepower, and I'm looking at these gas mileage thing. I mean, look at this. Wow. Say, on my little Mitsubishi I got, Mirage, it's got this deal over here on the dash, and you push a button, and the mirror moves. The outside mirror. And then you push it, and it goes to the other side. I didn't even pay for that option.
Check it out. Fold up side seat, all new front end, short bed single cab dually on 2 6s, slammed into the ground. That is what I'm talking about. We didn't need to get all those pictures, but I got a whole bunch of shit left over and we're leaving. So just use those up, man. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. Woo! We are out of here. State Fair of Texas 2022 is done.
And I'm not doing it.
I got just enough beer to make it back to the truck, but I guess you're driving.